Hi, Ben here, and here are 3 things we love about this Ion turntable. It has a timeless retro design, lets you connect to speakers wirelessly, and it can be plugged into your PC or Mac. Its classy blackwood finish and timeless retro design looks right at home, whether it's in your living room or bedroom, and is sure to turn heads when you have guests over. With Bluetooth connectivity, you'll be able to link it up to portable speakers or your hi-fi system without creating a trip hazard in your home. It can also be plugged into your PC or Mac, so you can convert your entire record collection into digital files using the intuitive Easy Vinyl Converter software. If you want to find out more, visit us in-store, online, or chat to one of us on a Shop Live video call.